that they've got to start getting on the attack a bit more. They was just too passive in their style of play in that opening game.
Second game. Yeah, there were signs at the end of the game that Ha was beginning to find a bit of form. She got her feet moving a little bit, started to look for more interceptions on the front court. But she's got to get control of that front court position and to stop the Chinese Taipei boy coming in. I mean, Lee was the dominant player on the front court, which is very unusual for mixed doubles. And certainly I think the Korean tactical talk will have been about how to get control of that front court and to get more attacking opportunities. The other thing that was noticeable in the first set was Jung Eun struggling a little bit on service, which is unusual. She's normally a very steady server, and she didn't serve particularly well in that first game. Which again makes it more difficult for her to get into a positive position on the front court.
And it's a bit of a contrast because the lady we're looking at, Chien, I mean, we've been watching her over the last 6 months or so, while she and her partner in the women's doubles have been world number ones. I mean, we've been a little bit surprised at how frail they are. They appear to be psychologically on their serves, how they seem to lose confidence on the low serves and make so many errors. Oh my goodness!
Fantastic defence.
What a rally. Terrific rally. Well, had absolutely everything.
Well, we've been talking about Chien in the rear court, but showing lovely touch on the front court as well there. What a good all-round player she's become, because really she started as a singles player as well, Jill. I mean, she's played at the very highest level on all three events.
I started as a singles player, Ian.
Well, you know my theory on that. I think you get your decision making and you become a match player in singles where you haven't got a partner to talk to. You learn to make your own decisions, you build up your mental toughness, and if you eventually go to doubles, fine, but singles develops a lot of skills.
Yeah, I agree totally. All-round development of the player, absolutely essential at a young age. Okay, when you come into senior badminton, I can understand the theory of specialising in either singles or doubles. Just wide. And of course, just following up on that point, Peter Gader, who's still very highly ranked in world terms, final of the Super Series finals a couple of weeks ago. Well, he won the World Junior Championships in men's doubles. Development in all departments of the game. So valuable.
Chien is still someone that, until a couple of years ago, on Uber Cup was used on that third singles, and a very dangerous player she is too.
4-5.
There we can see Ha again, she's struggling a little bit. She was a little bit late to see that interception opportunity. Reaching with the racket, not really getting the footwork going. Not getting into a good position, really.
Oh, that's a good smash from Hyun.
6.
Yeah, he just took a little bit of pace off here, went for a little bit more precision, which is a much better idea. He's been attacking a lot on the body of Lee, who's been dealing with it very well. And they're looking to play into space. Again, mixing the pace up a little bit more from the rear court.
Good judgment. It's just long of the back line.
5.
Yeah. Go Sung Hyun. not happy with himself, but it was a very good call by the line judge.
That's a bad mistake. That's a real snatch. It was an opportunity above the net in the mid-court. He'd be expecting to win the point from there, really.
Well worked rally by the Koreans.
Still having to work exceedingly hard to win these points,
6, 8.
Ko under a lot of pressure.
Good flick serve. Good aggression. It's the same thing over and over again, isn't it?
Yep, as soon as he attacks on Lee's body, Lee's looking to flatten out the defence and follow it in and take the net position. I mean, that's really good play. That's quality. But as you say, it's more men's doubles play than mixed play, and that's what's confusing for the Koreans at the moment.
Out! 10-6. Service over. 7-10.
Yeah, I think Lee, he's bound to make one or two mistakes because he is trying to be creative almost at every opportunity. It's not a surprise, he's just missed that one. Again, they're happy to play the net return and leave his partner in the rear court and try and take that front court position again.
8-10.
Brute force.
9-10.
Yeah, good attack, but he didn't go for it too soon there. Used the centre attack with a little bit less pace to get himself into position, and he was eventually able to advance up the court and finish the point. But a little bit more patient there from Ko.
Pushed it long. They're back level.
10-all.
Yeah, well, come from behind. 5 straight points to go to the mid-game interval with the advantage. Well, it was much flatter. I'm not sure he meant it to be that flat, but it was very effective.
Yes, difference there was the Koreans are just able to get on the attack a little bit more regularly, and Ko being more patient with the attack, trying to build the attack rather than force it and try and win the point too soon. He's having to work extremely hard, but I would say that Ha is still struggling to find a place on the front court. She's confused by the Taipei combination and still not settled into this game. It's a partner at the moment that's managing to keep them in this match.
Yes, he's trying to encourage her, give her a lot of advice. Jung
11,
Korean
10,
coach,
play.
bronze medalist at the World Championships.